Hello. Okay, I'm gonna film a what I am going to bring for my Patagonia trip, my 16-day Patagonia trip coming up next week. And I'm gonna go, so it's like end of April and early May. So it's toward the tail end of the popular season. Um, yeah, I just want to see maybe this is helpful for other people or if people have tips for me, please let me know. I'm going to be bringing a big backpack, a backpacking backpack. This is the Osprey Kite 46, along with my day pack, which is also an Osprey Daylight. So yeah, let's go through it and let me know. So this will be like kind of like the carry-on, and this will be my personal item. So just to give you an overview, I'm gonna be doing like city stuff. Like gonna land in Santiago, Chile, and then spend a few days there. Then go take another domestic flight to Puerto Natales, southern Chile, and then take a bus to the Torres del Paine National Park for the W Trek. So that will be 4 nights, and then we'll do El Chalten, El Calafate, Argentina for a few days, and then we're gonna fly another domestic flight up north to Buenos Aires. Sorry if I can't pronounce these things. The capital of Argentina for a few days, and then just fly back. And I'm coming from California, so yes, that is the trip overview. And yeah, let's see what I packed. Let's critique this. All right, so so first off, I put a pair of flip-flops on the side. And then the very bottom, I have my sleeping bag, the Enlightened Equipment quilt. And then over here at the top, I put shampoo, conditioner, body wash kind of thing. Oh, and a headlamp. Actually, before I open let me just do the outside. This stuff, these side pockets, I filled with liquid IV, as well as these GU espresso gels, because I found that these are really helpful, like while backpacking, just like kind of just on the go, gives you energy. There's caffeine in it. Yeah. So both pockets I filled with those. Okay, so in this front pocket, I just put like sanitary things, like female sanitary hygiene products. Okay, so then I put my Hokas, my kind of just everyday shoes. And in terms of shoes, I'm just gonna bring those, the flip-flops, and I'm gonna be wearing my hiking shoes. Okay, so yeah, there's a button or a clip. So here, so this pack, these travel bags, this one has socks, a mix, mostly wool, but hiking socks. This one, undergarments, a quick drying towel, these are shorts. I think these are all pants, so like shorts and leggings. I think I brought, yeah, so one legging, one pair of hiking pants, and then one pair of rain pants. So packed it up. And then 2 shorts. Because I know in the city it's going to be hot, but then towards the Patagonia, like the very south, is going to be very cold. And I know the weather is supposed to be very windy and have some rain, things like that. So you got to really bring everything. And then I have my rain jacket. This is just the like North Face, I don't know, like the basic one. Oh wait, no, it's called Dry Vent. And then I packed my sleeping mat. This is the Thermarest. I forgot the name of it. I can put it in the description. This one you just kind of inflate with your, you just blow it up. What else did I want to say? So we kind of booked everything like kind of last minute, like in March. So I don't know if you know, but like for Patagonia, for accommodations, it's a mix of, it's either refugios or you can bring your own tent, or you can pay to have like the tent set up for you. So we are not going to bring any tent, but I decided I will bring a sleeping pad and sleeping bag. But you can pay for those things too. And then you can also pay for meals. So we pay for the meals, and we just pick whatever is left. So some have like the the tent set up for us, and some are refugios. So refugios are like hostel, kind of like dorm style stays. So that should be nicer. But yeah, I didn't want to pay for a sleeping bag and things like that because I feel like that's kind of nasty. And also I have it already, so, and I think it's pretty light. And then I have another one. These are tops. Let's see, what did I pack in here? I packed like two short sleeves. I have some like Patagonia, the cool daily cool sun UV proof layer, and then like a kind of like a button up, and then I have one down. This is the REI one. I think it has like 600 something fill. And then that's it. And then we have like the bottom part is the quilt that I mentioned. I think that's it actually. Okay, let's move on to the day pack. So here's my day pack. Let's go real quick. Oh, I forgot. I also want to bring my empty water bottle, the Nalgene. I'll bring that too. So this backpack, it really only has 2 pockets. One at the front, like a tiny one, and then a really big one. So let's start with the tiny one. This tiny one, I put these Gooder sunglasses, a buff, which kind of can serve as like a headband and like to protect your face, like gives you some warmth. Ibuprofen, hand sanitizer, chapstick, sunscreen, and another snack. And then I have my Lululemon belt bag, flip belt. I don't really know if I really need this, but it's kind of nice. A visor. A Patagonia beanie, which I filled with snacks too. So I put, in each of these gloves, I put these things. I really like these things for backpacking, camping kind of things. They taste really good. It's like the peanut butter sandwich cookies. So I brought a few of those and I just put it in here so it doesn't get crushed. Snacks again. Trader Joe's. This is the mango, prunes, banana. These are all my electronics. A portable battery pack, the adapter. They Chile and Argentina, they have a Type-C plug. And then I need to bring it also add in my iPhone stuff. And last, oh wait, I just found more. Toiletry bag, just essentials like sunscreen, hairbrush, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. And then in the back pocket, I also have a bagoo. These are useful. My passport and cash. And then I thought I also have something else. Oh yeah, like my wallet and stuff, I'm going to put it in my belt bag. That's it.